not the greatest condition. Hey, welcome back to my channel, guys. It's time to do some more projects on a G8. Today I'm gonna redo my brake calipers. They look pretty nasty. One of them is silver, the rest are kind of blackish. So I'm just gonna clean them up a little bit and paint them red. Supplies that I'm gonna need for today: drill, the wire brush and a drill, white primer, red paint, and a brush. Not the greatest condition. Time to do some cleaning. Alright, so that's the first coat. Of course the primer is white, so it looks kind of funny. Okay, so let's do one more coat of red color on this side, and I think we should be good. Red looks pretty decent. Much better. Alright, so the caliper project is over. Total cost was around 25 bucks. Alright, so that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. See you in the next one.